Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy's logical NOT operation. In this video, you'll learn how to use np.logical_NOT function to perform element-wise logical NOT operations on arrays. This is a fundamental operation in NumPy that allows you to invert Boolean values efficiently. Let's understand what logical NOT means. Logical NOT is a simple operation that inverts Boolean values. When you apply logical NOT to true, you get false. When you apply it to false, you get true. It's essentially flipping the value to its opposite. This operation works element-wise, meaning it processes each element in an array individually. The syntax for using logical NOT in NumPy is straightforward. First, you import NumPy as np, then you call np.logical_NOT and pass your array as a parameter. The function returns a new array with all the Boolean values inverted element by element. Let's look at a simple example. We create an array containing true, false, and false. When we apply np.logical_NOT to this array, we get a result where true becomes false and false becomes true. So our output is false, true, false, true. Each element is inverted independently. An important feature of logical_NOT is that it works with numeric arrays too. NumPy treats 0 as false and any non-zero number as true. In this example, we have an array with 0, 1, 5, 0, and -3. When we apply logical NOT, 0 becomes true and all non-zero values become false. So our output is true, false, false, true, false. Logical_NOT also works seamlessly with multi-dimensional arrays. Here we have a 2x2 matrix with Boolean values. When we apply np.logical_NOT, every element in the matrix is inverted. The structure of the array remains the same, but all true values become false and all false values become true. Here's a practical use case for logical NOT. Suppose you have an array representing valid data entries, where 1 means valid and 0 means invalid. By applying logical_NOT to this array, you can quickly identify which entries are invalid. The result shows true wherever the data is invalid, making it easy to filter or flag problematic entries. Let's recap the key points. Logical_NOT inverts Boolean values element-wise. It works with numeric arrays, treating 0 as false and non-zero as true. It handles multi-dimensional arrays efficiently, and it's perfect for inverting conditions in your data processing workflows. This makes it an essential tool for data manipulation and analysis in NumPy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.